dance with somebody. Come on. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Woo. I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Welcome. You're going to wonder, say, why will they sing music? It's not like it's a musical show. Are you not even feeling us? Even look at our outfits. You know that we are in the mood. You know what I'm saying? All right, welcome to the show where they always talk about well-body plus including lifestyle. That's not what they call them now. Your health. And on top today's episode, we are entering into a jolly good mood. You know they see my shine jacket. It shows you that I am ready. And when they talk about music, all of us they hear say music. But music, yes, so many things about them. I'll be only Nigeria cast to look on me, I had a luchi in album, but not the only me inside the studio. Of course, you see two of us singing. She's not just a singer, she's not just a choir master, she's not just even in the choir. She's also a doctor, and she's with me. Together, we always take the show from here to the final bus stop.
Now, welcome. You know, say we have started on a high P.
Yeah.
Understand? On the music something, disco something. The thing where we want to discuss today, it concerns the health benefits of music. You know, say music now one thing way. In fact, I don't know what we do for this world without music. Music heals the soul. Music is good for the body. Music is good for the brain. In fact, statistics don't show say. You know these neuroscientists, these scientists where they work on top brain, people brain. They don't discover, say, when you listen to music, it heighten the positive emotion. How? They release what they call reward centers of our brain. So it go to stimulate dopamine, and this dopamine it won't work now to help us feel good and feel elated. To be excited. That's now why some people, in fact, they don't miss it. Every Friday night, they are in the club, dancing their life away because now that time, that's when they can feel happy. You know, some people, because that's what the music does for them. And also, it heighten other areas of the brain. In fact, you don't get any brain center where music they touch because it go just they cause different waves so they release to the body. And all these ones, they make person feel good. Now, we get good music and bad music, but that not be waiting one concentration on top of the show today. But just know, say, good music that is good for your soul is also good for your body.
You see, music, they help us cope with pain. Yes. It also gets its own benefit on top of our physical and our mental health. That's now why now only on top of your health, you fit to get all the etc. gist about the benefits, the medical and the physical and even the mental benefits of music. So if I be you, even as a one bad small belay light about now, you go still there with us because when we come back, we go to list them out for you inch by inch. So no go anywhere, they come back. No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
Welcome back. Do you love music? Oh yeah, now, if you just join us on top of the show, make sure say any kind of music where you like, your favorite artist there, you fit search us, those people where you like. Anybody where you like, whether na gospel or whether na any secular or anyone, any artist where you know say they tutorial you, where anytime where you hear a song, you go also tell us the kind of song where if you hear like this, your head go just scatter. Or if you dey depressed and you just play that song, you go just be happy. I beg, search us on top Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. Twitter to us, we go also tweet back at you. If you want, check them out on top of the matter. Or you get any experience where you want to share with us, we concern music, where maybe you did depressed at one particular point of your life, because I get testimonies of people where talk say you get everything that they go through at one point in time. But you get one music where they play every day, they listen to them every day, and after a while, they overcome that situation. Now, we want just to some of the things where music fits do, some of the health benefits of music. Don't go anywhere. We here can't wait for you.
All right. Now the first thing we will not say music is the help, not to ease pain. If you be a person who like music, inspirational, gospel, and you just listen to music, and you go through some kind of physical pain at that point in time, it help reduce the intensity. That one means say the degree, the highestness there's a word like that. The highestness of the pain where they feel at that point in time. And this one, they especially effective for anybody where they inside maybe intensive care or the palliative medicine. This one, at the aspect of medicine where they try treat people where they suffer from pain. It gets your own psychological effect where they do for you. So if you listen to music and you just notice it for a while, you go just forget. For certain situation, maybe certain things around you, just forget yourself. They carried away by the lyrics. Music is powerful.
Very powerful. As you talk this one, I just remember saying, if I dey run late for any reason and I dey play music, the lateness where I go late,
oh baby,
because music just has a way of making you feel like time is standing still.
Yes.
Like you have all the time in the world.
world.
You go just dey listen, place. That's one of the many benefits of music. Another thing where music they help you do. Now say, if you no like to work out, maybe you they run on top treadmill or you they do exercise. Hey, aerobics 1, 2, lift it, yeah, 1 down, 1 again, all those kind of things. When they play music like this, you go just ginger. The thing go just they motivate you, go just see yourself. They go to certain levels where you don't even think say you go feel rich because the music go just they ginger you. Especially if they play all this up, hip hop, uptown kind of upbeat kind of things. You go just they move them. And if you maybe they ride, maybe you be cycler, they ride bicycle. All these tedious things where on a good day, if music no they play enough, you don't. You go notice say when you they play music like this, that one go they help you to make sure say you just they see yourself, they so high. After a while, you just say, "Omo, I dey fit." All this one, I'm waiting music they do.
I know. So this one they particularly work for me. Like if I ride my bicycle and
yes.
I ride up, say when you ride bicycle down the hill is the sweetest part.
Before
you don't need to paddle too much.
You go just
don't up your leg wide. But it is going up the hill. That is the most painful part. So that one, I know say music they make me forget. Also, music it be like depending on the kind of music you listen to at that point in time. Maybe your spirit they down, and maybe for work your God don't give you one career, slap you here, slap you right, give you different kind of work. You the one that say which year I go finish this kind of work. Hey, then you just get one of say everybody get playlists. You can't go bring out that your playlist. If you be saying gospel or inspirational. Hey, and the playlist that the one with the ginger you, they do like so. You go just they play and they do the work. That music at that time, because of the upbeat, it they make you the ginger. You don't even know. So if normally on a good day, you're supposed to do that work within 5 hours, because of the music, if you do another 3 hours, you don't finish that music. You don't finish that work, and they say finish the music. And the extra bonus and say you they enjoy what they do at that point in time, and you also enjoy the music, and it's also making you to feel like see if the work is flawless. So that one of the things with music they do, they help improve your motivation and even performance.
Can you imagine? I tell you, say there's nothing you can do without music. Music is life. Another thing when music they do, if they look me so and they hard you to sleep for nights. Now, this thing get two parts. So some people, the music will actually make them not sleep quick. It depends on the kind of music where they listen to. But they don't discover, say, this one that they call classical music. You know all those type, all them Mozart, Beethoven, you know those kind of music. You don't make my throat don't hook now as I want just follow what they do. Now, all this kind of classical music where you go be like say they
like
some
this.
kind of things.
That's what they go do.
Okay, when they sing the thing, okay, be like say you get experience.
Opera. I believe the opera.
All those opera things, you understand? Before play for you, but we don't get time. Now that kind of classical music, if you they get problems sleeping at night, statistics don't show. Say people, especially college students, where they try pack plenty things inside their head at the same time. But I don't understand why they do all those kind of things when we small, when they grow up. You could do like how many courses? Oh God. Hey, instrumentals like that, if you just play them for nights, soft ones, so you could just they enter your brain when you then notice say they help you sleep well. You just serenade yourself, you understand, with that kind of music for night like this. No need for all those things when they go buy over the counter to drink. No need. Just play classical music, instrumentals. Go see, say you they sleep very well.
You see, sleeping very good. All you can need sometimes is music. Music too, they speed up post-workout recovery. Now, some Sabinus people don't come outside, sit down, don't come discover. Say, listen to music. After workout, if it help the body, make it recover faster. Now, waiting one of music will help you to do. Another one be say slow music. If it produce a greater relaxation effect after exercise. That one means say any kind of music where you want use, if it will help you on top physical recovery process. So if you dey heal, maybe you dey for inside post delivery or post surgery in this case, post surgery music. It depends on what you like. If it be soothing, depending on the type of music where you need at that point in time. If it be soothing music, that they could just put so that your body, yourself, psychologically, you could just be relaxed, and it will also help you to recover faster.
Yeah, so the benefits of music cannot be overemphasized. That's now why the next one where we want you now. Now what's in music they do to blood vessel. Ha! Person go say, Dr. Adora, you don't come. What you concern music, concern blood vessel. You know, say anything we dey talk for you, we don't do research. Better one, on top what is Sabinus people don't talk on top the matter. And they don't discover, say, then do tests on top the matter, say when you play music, what thing they happen, they say, because of the emotions where they release, you know, say for beginning, we tell you, say, when thing go touch some kind of centers inside the brain, go release dopamine. Dopamine go make you feel good. So because of those emotions where they release, it gets very healthy effect on blood vessels. So anybody where they get all this, maybe like say they get restricted blood flow because some kind of things they happen for blood vessels. If you they listen to good music, it go they release good emotions. These good emotions go they release good health effects on top the blood vessels. So you go notice say you go they happier and increase blood flow. Not be high blood pressure. The better one where they good for your body will just they happen. And go notice say, I got my swag, everything they on top, all because I am listening to a good music.
You see?
Forget it. Music is good.
Music is fantastic. When you know they're happy, listen to good music, it will elevate you. Yeah. When you are feeling sad, listen to good music, it will ginger you. When you are feeling down, listen to good music. And to do what? Good music will music you away. Another thing what good music they do, you will not believe it, but believe your man, it takes away stress. At least it reduce her. Hello, yes. Researchers don't discover say if they listen to music, if it to relieve you of stress by gingering, they call them triggering biochemical stress reducers. Just no say these stress reducers, they are like a anti-stress ninja. Watch out! And so good, they do watch out as they listen to this music. So one of the good things of better music now reducing of stress.
I'll be smart, you know. If you look me now, you don't hear say meditation is very good for your body, very good for your mind, very good for everything. To learn to meditate, and that now waiting music it help you do. Because when you play music, especially if they repeat one track, just they play them over and over again. We recommend mostly the slow kind of music.
Oh yes.
It can induce meditation. Mm-hmm. Your mind will just go way back, you understand? It will just make you stay in that mood of meditation. When they meditate, especially if they play gospel, maybe they hear things where they talk about the goodness of Baba God there. All those kind of things, it will just they remind you. Yeah, it be like said that they play music for you inside your brain as you did there. Mm-hmm. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Yes. So now that kind of thing, if it do to you, it can induce you to go into a different level. And they don't notice, say, because of this meditation way they induce, it can have therapeutic effects. You see? So person where they in a very bad mood, like we don't already talked before, or even person where they heal, maybe you get one wound, internal wound, or maybe they just do surgery for you. They don't notice, say, statistics don't even show. Say when they heal and they play better music, they listen to better music, you know, say the thing they help. Even they don't even do research. See, say where they put plants. One plant, they play music to the plants. The other plant, they play music to them. The plants where they play music, you can imagine plants, how much more us human beings. Mm-hmm. Plants where they play music to, yes, those plants can grow, flourish past the ones where they don't play good music. I not talk jaga, 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 not be that type of they talk. Good music, they play better, slow music, inspirational songs to those plants. The plants grow, thrive past the ones where they know they play any music to. So you don't see the healing effects of music.
Now the healing effect of music still continues, because you know go believe and say if you listen to good music, if it will help you to shop less. But I'm not gonna talk now. I'll explain that when we come back. So no go anywhere, because they come back.
No go anywhere.
your health will soon return. Now your health will return. Music heals your body, heals your spirit, and heals your body, and heals your soul. Music, carry the music.
Come on,
in the music. Hey, look at my choir, baby. What are we not talking about? You need to come and pay us to give you more music. Good music. All right, don't get it twisted. You still there on top the show where they do better collabo with lifestyle plus including well body. That's what they call them. Now your health. And today we don't give you some surprisingly good benefits of listening to good music. Hello, yes. Now we talking before our break say music will help me and you to eat less. Now one study don't come outside talk say if they play soft music and you can't lower light, reduce if now low voltage they give you that day, you thank your papa go there, they give it to you that day, you put slow soft music. When you want shop, you go see say you don't go to shop fast. You go to chop slowly. And the slower you chop, the more you enjoy the music and the food. And this one go make you go chop. You no go even know say you don't chop belly food. You no go finish that food where they chop because you do chop them slowly. So the effect of this one, I say, you no go finish the whole food where you normally pack on top of your plate. Because why? Because you're listening to good music.
Good music. It's good as we emphasize good music.
Yes.
Because there are different types of music out there. You got to make sure that it's good music that you are listening to.
Oh, yes.
Because you get the kind of music where you go hear, it go make you begin to commit some kind of sins where you not plan to commit. So make sure it is good music that you are talking about. Another benefit of good music, na say, in they reduce anxiety. You know, say, especially now. Anyway, thank God, everything is getting better. We're having a better economy. Things are getting better. Let us begin to speak the things where we want to see. Now, it could make you, because plenty people, they're very anxious about tomorrow. They think, especially parents, you know, different situations where they, and everybody, people just, they worry, What's in good music they do for you? They say, they reduce the anxiety as much as when you just go spa, say, make them massage you. Yes. So just look at it. Is they equivalent to getting a good massage if you can listen to good music? Why? Because they don't find say the music effect on anxiety level is similar to that effect when person just puts you on top table, say, okay, let me give you a good massage. Or if you go you get maybe a massage chair for your house, that kind of thing. If you play good music alongside, kind of thing you go do, you go just drop your anxiety levels because they release, like we talked before, those feel-good hormones where they help you feel better. Now, if you want to treat yourself to a good massage, bring out your favorite chill tunes, all those tunes. Remember, we talk, say, good music. Put it together and you will just notice that anything where they worry you, at least for that short period of time, you go stop. This one reminds me of one story read inside Bible, of one man, one king, where evil spirits, they worry. They can't advise him, say, he get one guy where if he play better music for you like this, that evil spirit go run.
Calm your body.
So you see, see what music they do. They even chase evil spirits. Good music is good for you.
Another thing where good music they do, where even as they talk for America, so they use them tested, tried, and trusted. Yes. Now say if they relax any patient before surgery. Now they say anybody will want to do cardiovascular at a certain point in time whenever they do the research, then talk say any cardiovascular patient, they go put them for one place, make them sit down. They will come put music for them, make them they will listen to them. Say as they listen to this music, they ease them before their operation. So that what means say, if before they want to go, you know, say a lot of us, me, if I want to go for surgery or go for anything, I go to fear, I go to panic, I go to labash, they scabash, they do everything, if possible, fast and pray. When that they come, as you they go, your heart go to do, but when they put the music for you, the better one will go relax your body. You go just forget all your problems. Forget say they even go for surgery. Now this one a major benefit for nearly 4 million people who they get heart surgery for inside United States. That one means say this one is not just we're talking the talk. It is something that they are doing to nearly 4 million people inside America. How wonderful can this be?
Not be small wonderful. And not only does it ease the stress before the surgery, it also help to ease the stress after the surgery.
See?
You understand? Because they don't also discover. So when they treat patients finish after they don't do surgery and then they lie down for their bed, when they play better music for them, good music like we talk, especially all them classical, instrumentals, all those kind of music, when they play all these things, it will help them, it will drop their stress levels. So that even after the surgery, you know, because people, they get plenty anxiety attacks after surgery because they go feel, say, okay, fine, I don't come out for the, thank God, and it's in our, but what if something goes wrong? Different complications go, they come their mind, say, what if this one, what if that one? But when they listen to, they don't test them. So when they play better music for these patients, after the surgery, they go notice, say, if they drop their heart levels, thereby it will help them to heal fast and well.
Another one I know, say that one they work for me personally. Now when I drive.
Okay.
Let's say I just hit 3rd Mainland Bridge, for example. From Adeniji, I don't see how the traffic be. Hello! Suddenly my temperature is going up, even if the AC is blowing. Suddenly na pepper body they do me. Suddenly I look people for back with them. Oh my Lord God! How come they look and say what I go do? I can't remember say Wazobia FM day.
Okay.
La Boshata, I can't look the time. Oh, one of my favorite stations is on. I need to listen to the music. And at that point in time, Wazobia FM is giving me the music that I need.
Giving you the vibes.
So that one means even if I sit down for that traffic, we'll be tired that traffic, let it last me 5 hours.
What for me, Batty?
Now God, they bring the traffic. Nah, man, I won't be the person. So if they give me that kind of traffic, I just tune in. Wazobia FM, our sister station. You know what I'm saying? We tune into it and I need to listen to the music. At that point in time, so happy, my Lord, they are playing good music. And the music they are playing is touching my spirit. So if they like that, they'll be doing pom 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 at my back. I say, jump ahead, go ahead. I am getting to my permanent site. Music, they help elevate my mood when driving.
Exactly. And you know, say that kind, this thing we just talk now many times. Just to make sure that I am not depressed by the traffic. Hey! I go they dance. They dance. Anybody like me.
They look me oh. I go they nod my head. They say, ooh, let's go. Come on. If I feel dog bolo style, I go do it for this. That's what they go look say, mother is up. I say it's okay, just be going. Because I'm not ready to do bumper and bumper with all y'all. I'm not doing that.
And you know, say get some kind of very deadly illnesses or situations where person gets where some people don't even die. Once they don't give them the diagnosis, say, you have this, madam, they go already die. So now to deal with those kind very deep illnesses, where sabi even by people before the thing really by them. Things like cancer. Things like if the therapist say you get AIDS. All those kind of things. They don't discover, say, music is the key. Understand? They help people manage stress and anxiety when they don't tell them, say they get this particular disease. Because sometimes they not even feel to communicate their feelings to people. But when they listen to music, it will help them manage the stress. And it will also ease physical pain and discomfort, like Luchi been talked before, thereby reducing anxiety and improving the quality of their life. So you don't see them now. Music, we can't talk too much about it. You need good music.
But you know, say the beautiful partner say, the music where me I like is the music of the old. Because they are lyrics.
Oldies.
Oh, they are lyrics. He speaks volumes.
They make sense.
Very few people nowadays, they actually use their music that way. We get people now where their music is
Forget it. Let's not call some people name.
No, let's just leave it as it is there.
Some people don't even know the meaning of what they're saying.
Dr. you know that means our cultural music. It's too bish.
Yes,
because
for exercise.
If it's exercise.
If you want
to do the egu.
Like the type where I dance recently for one place. Get one place where I go. The dance. Where I dance, come on, see what they do. They call it middle praise. In fact, the last time I dance, I can't dance. Blessing on my wedding day.
You see?
You see dance. When I finish, I know that I've
exercise your body.
You understand?
And thanks to the music. All right, so now don't see this now some of the health benefits where we don't give you on top music. So if I be you, I have another excuse In addition to the fact that I like them because I like the music I'm playing, the good music I'm playing because I like the lyrics, it's a good excuse because it is doing other medical things, physically, mentally, and even psychologically for inside my body. So if I be you, I go make sure say I choose the right type of music to listen to.
Yes, and the same way I want to talk now, I'm not going to talk am again. If you want to hear am,
yes,
make sure say you watch now your health.
Exactly.
Next time.
All right.
We see you in a bit. Bye.
See ya, Kasia, Lera, ciao.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.